So what exactly arose there is like a firms in competitive market have a greater incentive to invest in a new technology than a monopolies. So for example, generally if you see that if you are in an environment, simple example if I want to give, if you are in a, say in a village, simple example I am giving a layman kind of example to explain the monopoly and then the competitive market. If you are residing in a village, a small area which is not having much kind of market development and all, probably although you have a purchasing power, the offers or the products in that particular market may be limited, and whatever the products are there, chances are that you have to pay extra money for that particular product in that market, because that market is very, in short, it becomes a oligopolistic, or it becomes a monopolistic, because only few, we can say, market players are there which are offering that particular service or giving that, like they are selling that particular product. But suppose you go into the urban area, probability is very high that in small area there will be kind of a many offers, many, we can say, the market players may be there who are offering that particular product, and that creates a competition.